Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Down on the Unit. So today's episode just going to be looking at the manageBlue. I've made a cable that can connect to it. I'll show you the cable and what I did, what ends to buy, which serial cable to get. I mean, they're not exactly expensive, a couple of quid from China. It takes time to get there, but I'll show you everything that I did. So connect to the manageBlue, and we'll hopefully at some point looking at the map, understanding the map, and hopefully possibly making my own off the back of it. The map that was on the ECU with this car was mapped for a smaller turbo, and I've put a bigger turbo on it, so I want to probably move everything down in the fueling range so it gets more fuel. So I'll just go through that the more I learn. So let's get into it.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
So yeah, I had to get a Windows XP machine running, which is always good fun. Doesn't take long to load, honest. Just takes about a year. Break the bloody cable, that is. Ah, do you know what would help if I turn the f***ing power on? That's dropped a lot of idle since I turned it down. Let's have a look. Watching my oil temperature because it's on 84 at the moment. I've unplugged my fan. I'm recording. Critical battery on the laptop, so it might die. If I'm sideways, I apologise. Let's have a quick go. Wow. Okay. Temp's a bit high. I think I'm only going to get one more run out of this before I need to actually put my fan back on. I don't know when it kicks in. I think it's just below 100. I don't even know what I'm boosting. I should really keep it. Right, she's either done about 1,200 and 1,400. Alright, let's go. Jesus! She hits half. Flying on my leg. Right, temperature's getting a bit high. Alright. Temperature's getting a bit too high. Let's turn her off for a second. PC's on critical battery. Right. That's it for that episode. Guess I need to wire up my fan. See you in the next one.